Hey guys, it's the 24th session. It's Monday, the 17th of June. And as you can see, I worked myself in quite some drawdown. The core API running Gala started to deviate further in the hodl zone, which should not be too much of a problem. Let's look at the funding rates there. Yeah, funding is also negative, so that's a good thing. We're actually gonna receive money on that. Yeah, no, other than that, I decided to do some trading last night around futures open. And yeah, I kind of wanted to do an experiment, like let's run something through the night without too much interaction. And as you can see, I kind of made the wrong decision here. Yeah, putting us in quite some drawdown. But overall, yeah, I think we're gonna be okay. I kind of expect Bitcoin to actually create a double bottom here. After which we're likely going to visit 68. That's kind of what I expect for the upcoming maybe 48 hours. So everything deviating, like altcoins like WIF, Render, who were pretty strong this weekend. I actually expect them to do the same thing. So yeah, how much lower can we go? I think if we were to fall down further, I think we could end up around 63.5, maybe 63. But yeah, for me that would kind of be the the low for now before we get a bullish retest. Yeah, let's have a look at the dollar. I must say the dollar kinda looks like shit. I mean, if you see something like this, it usually indicates weakness. As far as I know, I've checked the calendar last night. There's no significant news this week, meaning, yeah, it could be a decent moment for a pullback. For the dollar, which will support our little Mars Attack adventure, but also the Bitcoin for upside. So yeah, let's have a look at the FIB. Yeah. To be honest, doing any in-depth analysis with boxes and everything on the dollar is kind of foolish. But I do think there's some confluence around this area. I kinda expect the dollar to retest this, which would push Bitcoin towards 68 in my opinion. So yeah, Sunday night shenanigans. Yeah, it's always the same with me when I break my own rules, like not trading on the weekend. I end up in drawdown. And usually I manage to get the fuck out and save myself some money. But who knows, we might get fucked because it's WIF. Yeah, like the ADR 12 point. Let's do a little refresh by the way, because I've been streaming for 12.5 hours. Save and reload. Yeah, the ADR is pretty decent. So yeah, there's a big opportunity. We're just gonna reverse, retest this level. I think around here. I think it will be sufficient for profit. I guess so. And Render, yeah, let's have a look at Render. I also ran Uni. I'm glad I got out because Uni did something similar. It just nuked without any bullish retest. Right. Yeah, I also think render could go a little bit lower, in my opinion. Yeah, I think it could go towards this level if we were to deviate further. Yeah, so overall, let's have a look at the macro. Yeah, total really looks like shit. Yeah, I mean it's pre-market. We're not open yet. At least US. Damn, Ondo, man. What the hell? Am I still exposed to Ondo somewhere? No, I'm not. Luckily. Luckily. So yeah, yeah, the game plan for today is just gonna be trading Mars Attack longs. In my opinion, I'm not really interested in shorting. Because we are, yeah, we're nearing some significant levels of support. Of course, we could just nuke, wipe everything, and go to 60k. That would also be something I take into account. If something like that happens, I'll probably take a loss on either render or whiff, depending on which one is performing, yeah, the best at that moment. For the least risk. Yeah, or vice versa. Like if it performs good, then I kind of want to stay in to make more money. You know, you get the point. But I think I am willing to take around 1k risk on this API. That would basically ruin a lot of progress. But it's always better than risking the entire API and losing everything. Yeah, but right now I'm quite comfortable and quite convinced we're gonna see a bullish retest higher on Bitcoin, and this is just gonna be a fake Carini at the start of the week. But we'll see during a US session. Yeah, so that's that. So it's still a, let's say, I think, yeah, it's still around 1 hour until US Open. Let's have a look at the worst performers, AVO Tensor. Junfi is doing some crazy shit. Floki's also... Oh man, we really dodged the bullet because I kinda wanted to get into Floki last night. But as you can see, yeah, we really made the right decision here to dodge, because there was no way we're gonna get out of this. I think WIF is a bit bigger, so there's more people exposed, more people trading it, making it more likely for a proper bullish retest. Render, it's one of the AI projects that I expect to do very well if Bitcoin passes all-time high. So yeah, that's not gonna be an issue. Let's bring Bitcoin back to this chart. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna chill and see what unfolds. Yeah, I'm kinda like second guessing myself if I should not just take a loss on render right here. But I must say, render it could go lower, but I really expect it to bounce here. Like, it's such a significant level, and it fits well inside our trade zone. And Whiff, yeah, Whiff is just our wild card today. I do expect to make some money on this, but who knows? I really hope I'm not gonna have hindsight regret of not taking a loss here. But we'll see. I'm ready to take this little gamble today. Alright guys, I'm gonna chill and I'll be back if something happens, and of course around the US Open I'm gonna be here streaming of course, and maybe recording some highlights. Peace.